My name is Mikhail Hussain and I recently got an offer from Suzanne Cory. When I started to prepare for the exam, it was around a year before the actual examination. After I signed up with Integral, I was given access to Kajabi. Kajabi is a software used by Integral, which helped me a lot during the exam. Kajabi offered tutorial videos, worksheets, exams that helped me a lot in my journey. Mock exams, to me, they were actually harder than the actual exam. And I think that because they were harder, it made me realize the actual exam was much easier to do. And I went through the actual exam much smoother. Peer assessment was another component which helped me a ton. And I believe it was because of that I was able to understand most of the topics. I believe the foundation was really helpful at the start. It gave me an idea of what I was bringing myself into, but the boot camp was, it helped me a lot. And I don't think I could have done the boot camp without the first couple of sessions of the foundation. I used the structural and time management skills that I learned during my journey with Integral to better improve myself during the exam, and it was really helpful. Online learning was really helpful for me because even though I was overseas, it helped me feel like I was there learning with everyone else here in Australia. During my online classes, I felt engaged because teachers would regularly check up on me, and it made me feel like I was also there with everyone else. I think that the selective entry exam tests your time management and ability to work under pressure. I think the continuous writing and working on math problems, as well as mock exams which were timed, that really helped me with my time management. It's important to stay motivated throughout your entire journey because even though it's gotta be really hard, I think that at the end, it's really worth it. Integral education is something I would recommend to future students as it's really helpful, and it really helped me to succeed into getting into Suzanne Cory on the selective exam.